In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a serial number in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to create your numbered list. Adding serial numbers is a simple but very useful task in Excel, especially when you're organizing items, records, invoices, or any kind of structured list. There are a few easy ways to do it, and the best method depends on whether you want a quick manual sequence or something that updates more automatically. Let's start with the first method, which is autofill. In cell A2, type 1. Then in cell A3, type 2. After that, select both cells A2 and A3 together. Once they're selected, move your cursor to the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. This is called the fill handle. When your cursor changes shape, click and drag downward. Excel will recognize the pattern and continue the sequence for you automatically with 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. This is one of the fastest ways to generate serial numbers when you already know where your list begins. The second method uses a formula. This option is helpful when you want the numbers to build from the previous cell. Start by entering 1 in cell A2. Then click into A3 and type equals A2 plus 1. Press Enter, and Excel will calculate the next number. From there, drag the formula down the column. Each row will increase by 1 based on the value above it. This method is straightforward and works well for simple numbering. Another useful approach is the row function. If your serial numbers begin on row 2, click into the first serial number cell and enter equals row open parenthesis, close parenthesis, -1. Then press Enter and drag the formula downward. Because the row number for row 2 is 2, subtracting 1 gives you 1, and the pattern continues as you move down the sheet. This is a clean method because it automatically ties the serial number to the row position. Finally, here's a helpful tip. If you only want serial numbers to appear when another column contains data, enter this formula, equals of open parenthesis B2 not equal to empty quotes, comma, row, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, -1, comma, empty quotes, close parenthesis. This keeps the serial number cell blank whenever the corresponding cell in column B is empty, which is especially useful for dynamic lists and cleaner spreadsheets. And that's how to add a serial number in Excel using a few simple methods.